Welcome to all learners towards our first episode of this series in which we will get basic concepts of this technology. So let's get into a deep dive of cloud computing key concepts and begin with the concepts of cloud computing technology. So cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via internet. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage and networking on an as-need basis from a cloud provider like Google, Amazon and Azure. Organizations of you can say every type, size and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as backup, disaster recovery, email solutions, virtual desktop and web servers. You can consider healthcare companies are using a cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. If we take another example from a financial sector, financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time, you can say, fraud detection and prevention by using this technology. Gaming industry, you can say, video game makers are using cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. Cloud computing gives you an instant access to a broad range of technologies, so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine, from infrastructure to IoT or Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and much more. In this kind of industry, you can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. Important thing is that you don't need to make a large upfront budget in hardware and overpay for capacity you don't utilize most of the time in the IT industry. Instead, you can get benefit from pay-as-you-go subscription from all cloud vendors like Azure, Amazon and Google around the globe. Moreover, you can scale the resources up and down to grow and shrink capacity instantly as your business need changes. Cloud computing also make it easy to expand the new regions and deploy globally in few minutes, or you can say within few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to, you can say, end user, reduce latency and improve their experiences. No matter your location, size or industry, this technology free you from managing infrastructure and data centers, so you can focus on what matter most to your business in any kind of industry by utilizing this technology. So when we are talking about the cloud computing, I hope you get the basic concept. What are the basic benefit of this technology and why we are using this technology. So let's get into more episodes and get more detailed knowledge or information, as well as with hands-on labs to this technology.